Many people work in environments where sound is at a very high intensity.
Sound, when at very high intensity for extended periods of time, may have harmful effects on our health. We asked a medical professional.
There are no beneficial effects regarding exposure to high-intensity sound, only harmful effects. Harmful effects is damage to the nerves that supplies your hearing. There are nerves that are specifically the function are mainly for hearing. So these nerves will be destroyed when there's too much exposure to high intensity sound. The damage is irreversible. Okay, signs and symptoms of nerve damage will manifest as hearing loss. Patient will have a hard time hearing, or laborers or employees will have a hard time hearing, and this will manifest once majority of the nerves, more than 50%, are destroyed. We call that hearing conservation program that are intended in the work area for workers that are exposed to high intensity sound for long periods of time. They are provided with personal protective equipment such as ear muffs. You are only allowed exposure to a certain number of hours for a certain intensity or frequency of sound. So rotation and protective devices.
How long have you been in this profession?
I've been in this profession for 20 years.
Are you aware of the possible effects of being exposed to high intensity sound?
Yes, as discussed in the trainings, earplugs, one of the ramp safety gears, has been issued to each ramp staff to be used during ramp exposure to at least minimize the noise of the aircraft engines.
Have you had any health problems which you think are connected to your work?
Probably the stress from my work has contributed a lot and has triggered my heart attack. I went through a CABG, or quadruple bypass surgery, last year.
In conclusion, high-intensity sound can have harmful repercussions on our health, and we need to exercise proper care when exposed to it.